A rose garden is formed by joining a rectangle and a semicircle. I don't know why I said rectangle. It's a rectangle and a semicircle. The rectangle is 20 feet by 25 feet. How much area is this garden? If I were to put grass all over this garden, well, maybe if I were to put, yeah, let's just say grass all over the garden, or soil all over the garden. How much soil would I need to buy? How much area of soil do I need to cover? That's my question. All right, how would you folks do this? Let's see, I have an area, 25 feet, 20 feet, and I also have this thing right here. It's like a little half circle. What's your thoughts, folks? Dawson is saying the area of the rectangle first. Okay, fine. How do you find the area of the rectangle? Keely already threw out an answer. I want you folks to look at it and tell me what you think. Do you agree with Keely's answer? Keely is saying the area of the rectangle equals 500. And that would be 500 feet squared, of course. All right, Dawson's approving. Do I got other people to approve? Keely threw out the units. Good. Gia told us how you get 500. It's 20 times 25. Okay, cool. So it looks like this area is 500 feet squared. Colors and 500 feet squared. How do you find the area of this thing right here? All right, Kapua approves and then disapproves. Interesting. Oh, it's all right. Don't worry about it. How do you find the area of that half circle right there? That one's a little bit tougher. What's your thoughts? I'm going to let the jing go, and then if we don't figure it out in the next 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I'm just going to re-jing it. Okay. So Dawson is saying make it into a circle. Okay. If I had a circle that same size, something like that, I know that the diameter would be how long? How long would the diameter be? And I like what Keely is throwing out there as well. Keely's saying that after we find the area of the circle, we can divide it by 2, and that will give us this red part, this half circle right here. I agree. What is the diameter of this circle? Just to make sure that you folks are on the same page with this thing. I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with don'ty or fonty. 20, good. I guess that kind of rhymes with don'ty or fonty. I don't know. I'm not very good at rhyming. All right, so it's 20. I have a question. What is the radius? If the diameter is 20, what is the radius? The radius is 10. Very good, Dawson. Awesome job. So we have the radius is 10. And so what is the area? Or what's the equation of the area? Do you folks remember? And Dawson is throwing out that it's 20 or 10 feet. Of course. Good. What is the equation for the area of a circle? I need some other people to answer for this one. Okay. So the area is pi times r squared. And that would be pi, which is 3.14. And r is 10 squared. So that would be 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So use your calculators. What is 3.14 times 100? 314. Good. Now what do I do with this? And I'm running out of time, so I'll probably have to just re-jing this thing. But what do I do with this at this point? I half it. Very good. So 314 divided by 2.